Hey y'all, I wanted to show you why I did not do a video last week. I'm about to go do the video for this week, but yeah, I live in a tourist town and the tourists have gone away. So we get to actually enjoy the beach with nobody on it. So Jeffrey and I are out strolling about and enjoying the solitude of the beach. The weather has been awesome, right around the 70s every day, and so I've been doing yard work and beach walking and bar hopping and visiting. So I haven't really made any crafts lately, but today I'm gonna make a craft to put up for tomorrow's video. So I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.